Imagine waking up in a home that literally floats above a valley, suspended over the edge of a cliff with nothing but glass between you and panoramic wilderness views. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the reality. Cliffside barndominiums are not only possible, they're being built right now in 2026, and they're pushing the boundaries of what we thought metal buildings could do. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about cliffside barndominium designs, the honest advantages, the real disadvantages, and yes, I'll share a certified builder at the end who actually specializes in these extreme builds. Let's dive in. But before we get into the details, if you're serious about alternative housing and want honest breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I promise, no fluff. Just real information that can help you make informed decisions about your dream home. What is a cliffside barndominium? Let me start with the basics. A cliffside barndominium is exactly what it sounds like. A metal-framed barndominium built on steep mountain slopes, cliff sides, or extreme terrain that most people would consider unbuildable. These aren't your typical flatland barndos, sitting on prairie land in Texas. We're talking about structures that use cantilever design, which means part of the building actually extends beyond the cliff's edge, anchored at only one end, creating that floating effect. The engineering behind this is absolutely fascinating. A cantilever is a structural element that projects outward without visible supports beneath it. Think of bridges, dramatic balconies, or those jaw-dropping modern homes you see in architectural magazines. In a cliffside barndominium, the cantilever allows your living space, maybe your great room or master suite, to literally hang over the drop, giving you views that feel like you're suspended in midair. Now, why would anyone choose a barndominium for this type of extreme build? It comes down to the steel frame structure. Barndominiums use clear span construction with modular framing and exceptional load-bearing capacity. This makes them easier to adapt to steep or uneven terrain compared to traditional stick-built homes. The steel frame can handle the complex forces involved in cantilever design better than wood framing ever could. Structural engineers have to balance three critical forces. Moment bending, which is the downward force created by the weight of the cantilevered section. Shear sliding, which is lateral movement from wind or seismic activity. And tension and compression, which are forces distributed through the steel beams and anchor points to keep everything stable. The cantilever is tied deeply into the main frame that sits firmly on the slope, often anchored with massive concrete footings or even drilled piers that go deep into bedrock. The advantages of cliffside barndominium design. Let's talk about why people are choosing this bold design approach. And trust me, the advantages are pretty compelling. First, the views are absolutely unbeatable. When you build on a cliffside, you get unobstructed views of wilderness, valleys, sunrise, misty mountains, or ocean vistas. There's nothing blocking your sightline. Traditional homes built on flat land simply cannot compete with the visual drama of a cliffside location. You're not just looking at nature, you're living inside the view. Privacy is another massive advantage. Cliffside locations offer total privacy and distance from urban noise. You're far from neighbors, far from traffic, and far from the hustle of everyday life. For people seeking remote living, this is the ultimate escape. The sense of weightless living is incredible. The architecture seems to hover above nature rather than dominate it, creating a harmonious relationship with the landscape. The steel-framed barndominium structure itself is perfect for these environments. The clear span design means no interior load-bearing walls, giving you complete freedom with your floor plan. You can have massive great rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows that capture every angle of the view. The modular framing allows for customization that adapts to the unique topography of your site. Durability is exceptional. Steel construction resists fire, rot, termites, and weather extremes. When you're building in an exposed location like a cliffside, you need materials that can handle wind-driven rain, snow, freeze-thaw cycles, and intense UV exposure. Metal barndominiums are built for this. With proper engineering and quality coatings, these structures can last 50 to 100 plus years with minimal maintenance. Advances in technology are making cliffside construction more feasible than ever before. In 2026, we have modular steel framing systems, 3D site modeling that helps engineers visualize the build before breaking ground, and drone-assisted surveying that can map steep terrain with incredible accuracy. These tools reduce risk and improve precision during construction. The architectural statement is undeniable. A cliffside barndominium becomes a landmark. It's not just a residence. It's a testament to engineering precision and design vision. For people who want a home that reflects their adventurous spirit and appreciation for bold architecture, this delivers. The disadvantages and challenges. Now let's keep it real, because cliffside barndominiums come with serious challenges that you need to understand before committing. Cost is the biggest factor. Cantilever designs and custom engineering can raise costs by 20 to 40% compared to flat site builds. We're talking about specialized structural engineering, custom foundation work, and potentially difficult site access. A standard barndominium might cost $65 to $160 per square foot turnkey, but a cliffside build could easily push that to $90 to $220 per square foot or more, depending on complexity. Access and logistics are major hurdles. Reaching the construction site may require building temporary roads, using specialized equipment, or even helicopter delivery of materials for extremely remote locations. Every piece of steel, every bag of concrete, every window panel has to be transported to a difficult site. This adds time and expense to the build. Permitting can be complex and time-consuming. Local building departments often require extensive geotechnical documentation for cliffside builds. You'll need soil studies, geological surveys, seismic assessments, and detailed engineering plans that prove the structure is safe. Some jurisdictions may be hesitant to approve unconventional builds on challenging terrain, leading to delays or additional requirements. Foundation engineering is critical and expensive. Unlike a simple concrete slab on flat land, cliffside foundations may require drilled piers anchored in a bedrock, grade beams, extensive retaining walls, or specialized footing systems. Foundation costs alone can run $35 to $50+ per square foot instead of the typical $6 to $14 for a standard slab. Maintenance demands are higher. Exposure to wind-driven rain, snow, and freeze-thaw cycles means you need durable exterior coatings and regular inspections. The cantilever section and anchor points should be inspected periodically to ensure structural integrity. You're dealing with an extreme environment that puts more stress on materials than a protected flatland location. Utility connections can be challenging. Running water lines, electrical service, and septic systems on steep terrain requires careful planning and potentially expensive trenching or pumping systems. If you're truly remote, you may need a well that costs $5,000 to $15,000 and a septic system at $10,000 to $20,000 or more, depending on site conditions. Condensation and climate control require extra attention. Metal structures on exposed cliff sides face temperature extremes. Without proper spray foam insulation and HVAC systems, heating and cooling costs can be very high. Condensation issues are also a concern if the building isn't properly sealed and insulated. Resale market is limited. Cliffside barndominiums are niche properties. Finding a buyer who appreciates the unique features and is willing to pay for the dramatic location may take longer than selling a conventional home. In some markets, financing may also be difficult for future buyers, which can affect resale value. Construction timeline is longer. Between permitting, site preparation, specialized engineering, and careful assembly on difficult terrain, expect the build to take significantly longer than a standard barndominium. Where a flatland barndo might be completed in 3 to 6 months, a cliffside build could take 9 to 18 months or more. Design considerations for cliffside barndominiums. If you're moving forward with a cliffside barndominium, here are key design elements to consider. The cantilevered section is the star of the show. Typically, this is where you place your great room or master suite to maximize the floating effect and capture the best views. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls are essential to remove the barrier between inside and outside. You want to feel like you're suspended in the landscape. Terraced outdoor spaces work beautifully on cliff sides. Instead of fighting the slope, embrace it by creating patios, decks, or gardens that step down the terrain. This maximizes usable outdoor space without altering the natural cliff shape. Minimal structural footprint is important for both engineering and environmental reasons. The goal is to disturb the land as little as possible while creating a stable platform for your home. Smart framing and careful planning reduce the building's impact on the cliff. Material selection matters. Choose corrosion-resistant steel, high-quality exterior coatings, and durable roofing that can handle weather extremes. Metal roofing is ideal because it sheds snow and rain efficiently and stands up to high winds. Seismic reinforcement is critical if you're building in earthquake-prone areas. The cantilever design must include flexible connections and reinforcement that allow the structure to move slightly during seismic events without failing. Who should build a cliffside barndominium? This design is perfect for specific types of people. If you're drawn to remote scenic living and value privacy above convenience, this could be your dream home. If you appreciate bold architectural design and want a home that makes a statement, a cliffside barndo delivers. If you have the budget to invest 20 to 40% more than a standard build, and you understand you're creating a landmark property rather than a quick flip, this makes sense. However, this is not for everyone. If you're budget conscious and need to minimize costs, a flatland barndominium is a better choice. If you want quick construction and easy access during the build, challenging terrain will frustrate you. If resale value in a conventional market is important, the niche nature of cliffside properties could be a liability. Real-world cost example. Let me give you a realistic cost breakdown for a 2,400 square foot cliffside barndominium with a cantilevered great room. Site preparation and access road construction could run $15,000 to $40,000 depending on terrain. Geological survey and soil testing might cost $5,000 to $10,000. Custom engineering and structural plans could be $8,000 to $15,000. Specialized foundation with drilled piers and retaining walls might run $60,000 to $100,000 instead of the typical $14,000 to $24,000 for a flat slab. The barndominium kit and steel frame would cost approximately $35,000 to $50,000. Assembly with specialized equipment and crane work could be $20,000 to $35,000. Custom end walls with extensive glass could run $15,000 to $25,000. Interior finishes at mid-range quality for 2,400 square feet would cost approximately $180,000 to $240,000. Utility connections including well, septic, and electrical service might be $30,000 to $50,000. Permits and inspections could cost $5,000 to $12,000. Total estimated cost would be $373,000 to $577,000, which is approximately $155 to $240 per square foot. Compare that to a flatland barndominium of the same size at $156,000 to $360,000, and you can see the premium for cliffside construction. Cliffside barndominiums represent the absolute cutting edge of what's possible with metal building design in 2026. The combination of engineering precision, architectural drama, and connection to nature is unmatched. Yes, they're more expensive. Yes, they're more complex to build. Yes, they require specialized expertise. But for the right person in the right location with the right budget, a cliffside barndominium is the ultimate expression of living on the edge, literally. If you're serious about this type of build, you need experienced professionals who understand both barndominium construction and extreme terrain engineering. Certified builder recommendation. As promised, I want to share a builder who specializes in challenging terrain barndominiums. All Draft Home Design and Drafting Services, based in Grand Junction, Colorado, has extensive experience with mountain and cliffside barndominium projects. They understand cantilever design, work with structural engineers who specialize in extreme topography, and have completed projects in Colorado's demanding terrain. You can find them at alldraft.com. They offer design services, engineering coordination, and can connect you with construction teams experienced in cliffside builds. Remember, any cliffside project requires collaboration between architects, structural engineers, geotechnical experts, and experienced builders. Don't cut corners on expertise. Have you considered building on challenging terrain? Would you take on a cliffside barndominium project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you understand what's really involved in cliffside construction, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest content about barndominiums and alternative housing. Thanks for watching, and remember, dream big, but plan carefully.